What's up, guys? Hey, this is Dave here with Adventure in a Van, and I am here today to install this bad boy. This is the swivel seat from Sportscraft. I'm pretty stoked to do it. I've never done one, and I'm stoked to take you guys along with me. But first, let's check out this bad boy. Our 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Bam! Alright guys, here we're inside my Sprinter, and we're going to be installing this bad boy. This is the swivel seat for Sportscraft, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, first off, Euro Campers gives you these very detailed instructions how to do it. I mean, for the most part, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you, like me, built this whole van, you can install a seat base. But the first thing you got to do is a major thing to do when you're building these damn Sprinter vans is getting yourself one of these bad boys. And these torque sockets we're going to be using today, number E12. E12 is the perfect size for these guys right here. Get yourself an impact, either gun or ratchet, whatever works for you. Let's get to loosening this seat. Get this bad boy out of here. Alright, now that we can do that, we're going to pull this bad boy out right here. That's your clip. Set that down in there. Move this last bolt, and boom! The seat is now free. You're going to grab this bad boy right here and make sure that nut is sitting on the bottom like so. And you're going to set it right down there. Make sure that the holes line up properly. Boom. Alright. Alright, now that we've got it all situated here, make sure that this handle right here, which actually swivels and pivots this thing, make sure that's sitting in the front right there. And now that we've got these holes showing, we're going to use these stock bolts that came off of it originally. Set those bad boys right back in there. Things like to be a little bit stubborn sometimes, but just give it a little wiggle. They'll go in. It's crucial you don't want to strip these bad boys because you'd pretty much be screwed afterwards. So give it a little wiggle, make sure it goes down there nice and easy. I'm going to take my impact gun now. Just a little zap there. It's crucial you go from back to front on the same side. So if I did these two on first, and then I'm going to go and do these ones first. Start with that. Now that that base is nice and secure, just how it was when it came off the factory, we're gonna turn this bad boy back. Time to install the seat. On the seat itself, they have these little bit of a dowel or pin that comes out, and on the mount itself it has like a little notch. Make sure you put that dowel right in front and it locks into place. Make sure that the holes line up right there and you're good to go. Alright, now that we got this seat all mounted in here, everything's good to go. Give yourself a little bit of a space back behind the seat so that way you're able to put these bolts that they gave you right into the position of the seat mount. Go ahead and once again finger tight this bad boy right there. Alright, now that we've got that back bolt in there, you're going to go and come to the front. You're going to put this bolt straight in there, and they tell you to go finger tight, but you can't really get your fingers in these crevices. It's pretty freaking tough. So go ahead and just kind of slightly tighten these, but not much. Making sure it's still loose, just enough when you're not going so the seat doesn't go back and forth. Come to the front here, install this bad boy. Same thing. You're going to take your side over here. Let's see if I can get you guys to see it over here. Mount this, take this thing here. Once again, still super loose. Move that seat back. Now that we got all the rest of the bolts in there, we're going to have this guy left. Make sure that it's lined up. This one's kind of difficult to get to just because it's up in the corner right here. Alright, now that these are all snug a little bit, we can go ahead and tighten them all. Make sure you get all those bolts in there before you start tightening them pretty tight. You want to be sure to leave them a little loose so that way everything matches up nicely. There's that guy. Bring yourself over here to this guy right there. Tighten that bad boy up. Let's do the same on the front. Alright, now that we tighten the back ones, slide that seat back, access these bolts. Let's tighten these bad boys up. You gotta make sure these things are tight because guess what? It's holding your life in here. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, well that's it. Quick and easy install. Took me maybe 30 minutes. Not even a whole lot. As long as you have the right tools, you guys can get this done pretty quick, and I'm pretty stoked on it. I mean, it's comfortable. It did raise it up a little bit more than I kind of wanted, which I guess Sportscraft is not really known for their slim, low profile seats. So other than that, I say it's pretty freaking awesome. I am so stoked to go adventure and kick back and relax. Alright guys, well that's it for me. Hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.